Nice to meet all you ladies. I go by Cool. And the question this evening is do do Filipinos prefer dating Filipinos or foreigners?
She has to reply.
Oh yeah,
Everybody should answer. Like it's
Like me personally,
just whatever your opinion is. Yeah.
I prefer Filipinos because adjusting to different culture is a challenge.
yes.
Like being in a relationship is a challenge already, and adjusting to the culture I think will give it. Like, it's gonna be more difficult.
Yeah, I agree with you. What about you?
I don't date.
She doesn't date. She doesn't date.
I study first.
Study it.
What's your opinion about it?
What's
Do you
your opinion? It's
yeah.
not a personal
I don't
question.
know. It depends on the personality of the person. If like a foreigner person is like has a better personality than Filipino man, then I'm going for the foreigner. But if Filipino men have a better personality,
Yeah, so it's individual basis type of thing. Okay, next question is, why do you guys think foreigners come here to date? Like, why are foreign men flying to the Philippines to marry or date Filipinos?
This is what I observe. This is my observation. Because Filipino girls we take care of our men, and then we also have this. I'm not saying like other girls in the world doesn't really respect their men, but I think we kind of have this. We're still in the
Traditional.
Yeah, traditionally we're being brought up that we need to be submissive to our men, and then we also take care of them. Like we take care of them. I think that's what they really like. So they're marrying Filipinas.
like
I take care of the man.
Yeah. That's
Great
my
answer.
observation.